Here you were given a parallelogram in first question and you were asked to draw four parallelograms that have area equal to this ABCD. So see, we're not supposed to use scale for measurement. Okay, we have to do some quick constructions, and assuring that the areas are going to be same. I have to make four parallelograms. So what I'm going to do, I'm just choosing either the base AB or the base DC. Okay, and I'll raise that parallelogram to this or that, means the parallelogram will remain between the parallel lines. So here if you see this parallelogram here, okay, see, this side is parallel to this already, and I have drawn these two parallel, no? So it's a parallelogram, and its area is actually equals to this. Why? Because they have the same base DC, and they have been raised to the same height from DC till AB. Okay, so they have the same height. Now if we have to draw one more, we can similarly draw we can either draw it like this, because if we make a parallelogram which is equal in area to this green one, okay, so that will automatically be equal to the initial ABCD. So this I have made again. Okay, I can name these point as T, M, L, P. So this DCTM is also equals to the sky blue one, and this LPTM also. Okay, moreover I can make one to this side also. Okay, or so let's make it like this, or we can make it like this also with the same base. This is here and here, so they are all are going to have the same area. Okay, so what do you have to keep in mind? The bases must be same. Here the base of this green one, or you can say this purple one, is TM. And is TM equals to AB? Yes, because TM is equals to DC, because this green one is a parallelogram and DC is equals to AB. That's why the area of this parallelogram will also be equal to this ABCD. As a second question, you have to draw four triangles with different sketch pens who all have same area. Okay, who all have area half of the area of parallelogram. Okay, so four triangles we were asked. So one of the triangle, I can say you can choose this P point, and you can say this triangle has the area half of the parallelogram. Why? Because the base is same and the height is same. Triangle is also raised from QR till point P, or means the sky, this is the base and the sky for it is PS, and for the parallelogram also PS is the highest line till what till which parallelogram is raised. And if some, you may choose then QSR also, or you may choose this one. See, base has to be kept same. Okay, so the base I have kept QR, so parallelogram and the triangle has the same base. And what's the height of this triangle? It has been raised from QR till PS, and both are parallel, so the perpendicular distance here is gonna be equal to anywhere, no? So the height of the parallelogram and this green triangle is also same, and in that ways this purple and green triangle is also equal in area. I just asked you to make four triangles. You can choose four different points on this line, or you may also make uh, one more triangle on the other side. Okay, I can choose this point, and I can make this red triangle here. Now the area of this red triangle is equals to the half of the parallelogram, because the base is same and the height is also same. Okay, so this is half of PQRS, green is half of PQRS, purple is half of PQRS, okay, and we can make many more, okay, and in that ways we can come up with one more application level. Maybe I can ask you another question that prove that area of triangle RX RXS is equals to area of triangle QRY. So QRY and SRX, they do not have any common base, neither the common height, both the triangles. But yes, the area is equal Y because they are Y equal. They both are half of parallelogram PQRS, and which can be shown in steps. No. Now we have the third question where we have to prove that area of triangle TLM is equals to area of triangle TMS. Okay, so TLM and TMS means these two triangles. Let me shade them. At times after shading we get an idea about the, we automatically get an idea about how are they going to be same. So you must shade them. Okay, these two triangles, do they have the same area? Can you prove it? It can be very easily proved, no? So this is the bit easier question, okay, but here I have written to prove that, no? So you have to go in detail, it means every detail to prove the area to be same, okay. Now here write 3 pairs of triangles that are equal in area. Purposely wrote 3 here because 2 can be easily found out, okay. First of all, these 2 triangles have the same area, this one and this one, okay, because same base and between the same parallels, so same height. Similarly, from this side, if we take this as the base, so one triangle, this is another parallel line, so one triangle is going till here and another one is also till here, to between the parallels. So perpendicular distance between the parallel line is same, that's why the area is also going to be same. So 2 pairs can be easily found. You have to find out the third pair, okay. So what I wanted you to do actually, because we can see many triangles here, so this and this cannot be same in area, they're not visually even, no, but this and this, they are looking same, no. So yes, because RMT and RML have the same area, no, because same base and same height because of the parallel lines. So if from the same area we will subtract the common portion, so remainder will be same. A common portion subtracted from equals gives you remainder equals. So the third pair is going to be this RPT and MPL. So this was all about this assignment.